Hello, guys, and welcome to another beautiful DIY. So, today I want you guys to come with me. Let's try making this DIY. I really have no clue, but let's just make it and see how it comes out. So, hi, guys, if you're here, if this is your first time here, you're welcome. If you're a return subscriber, thank you, guys. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for the love. Okay, so let's go. As you know, I painted the carton. I didn't want to show you all the long process, so I painted it and then I'm using my tape to go around it because I wouldn't want the black to go off at this place. Okay, so I'm just putting it. Okay, so I'll just be cutting it and then I'm just preparing that place. Okay, so I don't just know how I'm going to put it. Just let's just put it randomly. Yeah. And then while putting it, try to yes to get to the end of it and then just leave a little bit so that you can be able to raise it up when you are done with when you are ready to actually remove it. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just trying to work let's work something out. Okay, so I'm doing that also, and then I'll be adding one here. So, guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please leave a comment for me in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Please, I really appreciate that. Okay, so I'll be cutting that also. I think I'll be adding one more. Or yeah, maybe one there. Okay, so I think this is it, and then just making sure everything is in place. And then I'll be using my top bond because it's like the first time I wanted to see there was a time I tried using top POP cement to on the carton. After placing it, after a while, it just came up. It wasn't staying, so it's a no-go idea. Don't try using it. This one, because I'm not sure, I just wanted to experiment with it and see if it's going to stay. So after a while, maybe I'll just leave it and see. If it stays, I'll let you guys know so that maybe you can try it. If it doesn't, I'll also let you know so that you know. Okay, so I'm just adding water to it and then I'm stirring it. Yeah, stir this very well so that all the lumps are going to go away. Okay, so and then you can also I think you can use a wicks for this if you want a really smooth one. Yeah, so but I didn't use the wicks, I just used the spoon and then stir it very well. So after I'm done, I'm just going to let that sit aside and then I'll be putting in my POP cement in this container. Okay, so I'll be adding it. Like, I don't even understand. People do DIY and then their hands are looking. Why is my own having all the veins all out like that? As if it's a man hand. I don't know. As if it's a male hand. Okay, so I'm just adding the top board to it also. The veins are all coming out now. Wow. Ah. So and then I'll add water again and then stir this one also. It has one very big lumps. I didn't even notice it. So I'm just going to break that and then stir also vigorously. Let it be smooth. Okay, but the idea I had was I didn't even really wanted it to be smooth. I wanted it to have all those rough edge. So rough surface, I mean. Yeah, but this was 2 or 3, so I decided to just add a little bit of the POP cement again, so to make it thick. So at this point, I noticed it was becoming thick, and then it wanted to dry off, but I wanted to see whether it's going to come out different compared to when you just mix it normally because of the turban I added to it. But I think it's the same thing also. So I'm just putting this under, and then I'm going to put them on it. What I observe, what I learned from this place is when you are putting it, just if you want to do this DIY, make sure to just put lesser at this place where the um what is it called? This place where the tapes are is better like that. So I wanted to add my liquid gold paint, but I just decided to just leave it and then see how it's going to be. Yes, I think you would have if to do this again, I'll just add just little and then don't put it on top the tape since the tape or something you are going to remove it. Yeah. So I'm just going to put this. Okay, so and then maybe if I'm to do this next time again, I wouldn't do the next thing I'm about to do now. I'll just leave it like this. Yeah, because I think I like it like this. While watching it and doing this voiceover, I think I would have just left it like this. But let's go and then you guys to see the outcome and then decide if you think this would have been better or the other one I did. So I'm using a fake to just do whatever. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just doing it. I don't know. I'm just trying this. Let's test it and see how it comes out. So yeah, so just like I said, I didn't know what I was doing, but I wanted to just because I like the that effect. Yeah. So and when you're doing it, I think that the moment you finish applying it, don't let it gum. Just I think immediately because since it's already there, it's not going to move. So while it's still a bit not dried, fully dried, just take the tape out so that it won't what's going to happen at the end of the video won't happen. Okay, so just let's watch and see. Okay, so I'm just taking out all those ones. So after I was done with whatever, I'm just going to let it dry and then I'll spray paint it with my gold spray paint. Yeah, so I was done spray painting it and then I'll be taking out all the tape. Let's see the outcome, the final result. So guys, if you're still here, I really appreciate you. Thank you for the love. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment for me. Let me know what you think about in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the video and then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, and then I'll see you in the next one. Let's finish removing it and see the final outcome. Bye. Okay, sorry. I was supposed to have gone, but these are the parts I was telling you. So I feel it's because it dried off, and that was why all those plates peeled off. So I'm going to